Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to play eFootball on Samsung Galaxy A17. In this video, we are going to see overall gameplay experience, the graphic settings and how good the mobile performs in different graphic settings and overall gaming experience. So let's start. First, let's check the graphic settings. On player graphic we have standard, on stadium we have standard and frame rate of 60 FPS. So let's change it to max. On player graphic, I'm setting it to high, with stadium graphics also on high and frame rate on 60. Now let's play on max settings. Before starting the gameplay, I have also enabled the FPS meter and the battery temperature meter here. So we can see the FPS and the battery temperature at real time. Let's start a quick match. As you can see, the graphic quality looks absolutely stunning. So let's start the play. As you can see, the FPS meter is showing us almost 60 frames per second and the battery temperature is also good. The overall stadium visuals are looking also great. Oh. So I hope you like the gameplay on max settings on Samsung Galaxy A17. Now let's change the settings. Now let's change the graphic settings to normal. Now let's change the graphic settings to standard and frame rate to 30 and stadium graphics to standard also. So now I'm going to record my gameplay while playing on this setting. So let's start the gameplay recording. As you can see, the gameplay recording is now active. As you can see, the current frame rate is almost 30 with our current frame rate settings. Now on this graphic settings, as you can see, the visuals are not so appealing as the previous graphic settings. But overall game playing experience is great. There is no lag while playing and recording the gameplay at the same time. As you can see, the game is performing absolutely great. So I hope you like overall gameplay experience of eFootball on Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I will see you in next video.